To create a contract, make sure you are on the quote object. You're going to start by going to Contract Details and entering the contract sale date. This is required to move forward. You may also enter a future date. Just make sure you enter the date you want printed on the purchase agreement. Fill in any other fields that apply, including those in the Construction and Design section. Once the fields have been entered, click Save. We're now going to go over to our related lists and start adding all of the information required to go to contract. We'll start with incentives. Click on the Incentives button and you will see the pre-approved incentives for your community. Click on the checkbox and enter the amount to be applied. You may enter less than or equal to the amount listed. You may also choose more than one incentive. If you do need a custom incentive, you may click on the Custom button and enter the required information about the incentive you are requesting and submit it to your manager. Once you have chosen your incentives, click Save. We already added our deposit at the lot hold, so now we're going to add the financing information. Click on the drop-down and the New button. Choose Outside Lender Cash or Shea Mortgage. Enter any required fields and click Save. Once we've added the financing, we will now add any deal-specific information, such as contingencies. Enter the name of the contingent property and fill out any and all required fields to move forward, such as the contingency type and the address of the contingent property. Once these fields are complete, you can now click Save. You also want to add referrals or general addenda that would apply to this particular contract. Click New on the drop-down and enter any of the information needed to print on the purchase agreement. Once you have all of the important related objects and details for your contract, you may now click Send with DocuSign. Choose Master Contract and click Send. This will now take you to generate your paperwork. Choose the proper contract and any additional lot or community-specific documents that you need to add. Choose how you're going to use DocuSign and click Run. Once your contract has been sent and your customer has signed all of the paperwork and it's moved properly through the process, the system will update the status of your contract and the Finalize Sale button will appear. To count this as a sale, click on Finalize Sale. You'll also notice that on your connection, your pipeline has moved to Sale.